Now this figure 19-16 is sizing the conductors based upon the compressor and condenser motors full load current ratings. Now remember, if you looked at figure 19-1, we sized everything for an air conditioner based upon the branch circuit selection current. Not so here. We're using the values of the compressor and the condenser motor, mainly because there's no branch circuit selection current mentioned on the nameplate of the unit. Now again, in the NEC loop, you can pick up sections for sizing conductors, overcurrent devices, overloads, disconnects, location and sizing and all that. You have the section numbers that you could review dealing with these items. Now, the NEC loop says, hey, if you want to size the overcurrent protection device and you want to see an illustration illustrating how to do that, figure 19-9. If you wanted to size everything to the unit based upon the branch circuit selection current, see figure 19-1. So this figure mainly is dealing with now using the compressor full load current of 19 amps, the condenser motor of 2.5, and we're using 75 degrees C terminated rated conductors. In other words, the conductors can be terminated at 75 degrees C in accordance with 110.14 C1 little a that we would check there. The overcurrent protection device, and we're looking at 440.22B1, and we're looking at 440.22A since it's one individual unit that we want to review here. Now, based upon that, then, we're going to select the overcurrent protection device based upon our calculation, and we will look at that next.